Hey, this is Emka, and I want to show you exactly what Social Funnel is, how does it work, and what we have in store for you. Okay, so Social Funnel is a WordPress plugin that allows you to create viral campaigns and just turn pretty much any web page on the internet to your very own lead capture page. And then when you collect the subscribers, you'll be able just to push those subscribers through our viral engine and get a lot of free targeted traffic. So here I am in the demo account in our demo Social Funnel account. So I'm gonna show you exactly what it is, how it works. Gonna go through very quickly in the beginning, so we just get an idea if you don't have a lot of time, and then I'll just dig into nitty gritty later on. Okay, so this is the interface. What it does, we took one link, so this is our link, and if I go here, so what it turns, this is a Social Funnels campaign. So as you can see, it says top 50 detox water recipes for rapid weight loss. Okay, great. So the user is browsing this page, boom, our pop-up pops in. So what it is, it's it's a timed pop-up. You can specify whether you want to have it at which second, whether it's closable or not. And you can change pretty much everything you see here. We have a pre-made templates, 4 different pre-made templates. So it says, want to get 6-pack abs quickly. And there's some bullet points, and there's the PDF that they're gonna get. Very sweet, very cool. And here the person presses yes, I'm interested. It flips. We're using the 2-step opt-in because it boosts up the conversions. So it says free report, easy tips for having 6-pack abs, and you need to enter your email in order to learn more. So I'm just gonna type in my email. I'm clicking yes, I'm interested. And what it does, it takes me to the thank you page. So just a second, and here I am in the thank you page. Now in the thank you page, you can specify whether you want to have or don't have, any video at the top. So we recommend having, a video where it says, hey, thanks for opting in. Here's some information, but it's totally optional. And in this demonstration, I'm not doing that. So it says, the person opted in. He was, just take a look what happened. The person is browsing. For example, person is browsing the Facebook, okay, and then one of his friends posts, one of his friends posts an article about 50 detox waters, how you can just feel great and lose weight, okay. Then the person clicks on that link and he starts to browse, the article itself, and boom, after a few seconds or after a few minutes, it really depends on you. You just slide in with a pop-up. When you slide in with a pop-up, it says, hey, do you want to lose, you'll want to lose fat and, just get a 6-pack abs quickly. Here we have a free PDF for you. The person opt-ins and he lands on this page and it says free report. Here's what's inside of the report, most important meal and what you need to know. Sit-ups will not get you 6-pack abs, how to exercise efficiently, and much, much more. It used to be $19.95, now it's free, okay? So this is what we have, this is the campaign. You can change, by the way, everything you see here, all the text, the images. And then it says download the report. Okay, so I'm going to click download the report and it takes me right here and it flashes in red. It says to unlock the download link, you'll need to refer 3 more people. Okay, so this is where the viral engine comes into the place. This is where it becomes really fun, for you, because you're gonna get a lot of free targeted traffic. Okay, so the person who's using the plugin is gonna get, just tons and tons of viral targeted traffic. We've actually built multiple lists in different niches using this plugin. So it says how to unlock the download button. Now you can change the amount of people that is needed to unlock the link. So it says, in order to unlock the download link, you need to bring 3 more people. Simply share this URL with those who would enjoy this video. Now, send them an email, private Facebook message, make a Facebook post on your timeline, post it on your Twitter, or just text this URL. Okay, so very simple. So this is your unique URL. When you will bring 3 subscribers through this URL, the download link will become yellow, and you will be able to unlock. You'll be able to download the report. Now, to make it very easy, we've added a social sharing button. So, a person can just copy this, URL and just send it to his friends via text message, email, through private messages, however they want. Or they can use the share buttons. Now, I want to point something out. This is 100% terms of service compliant, with all of these networks, because we are not doing any gate locking, like share gate, locking or something like that. We're not doing that here. What we are doing, we're actually, giving them the link, and we say, hey, if you wanna, just share this, just share it with your friends, through the social networks, and we give you an easy way to do that. Now, what they are sharing is not their, the person who is sharing. They are not sharing our message, they're not sharing our thank you page, anything like that. What they do, they share quality content with their friends. So if I click the Facebook link, it will open up. There we go. Top 50 detox water recipes for rapid weight loss. Okay, so what they do, they will share, that original source, that original article with their friends. They will not share our message. So basically, this is how you will remain cool among your friends, that you're not spamming them with some squeeze pages or something. However, that's on the same time, you're going to get an unlockable gift, because if the person, the next person who's visited the page, he will face, he will go through the same, basically kind of route. The pop-up will slide in, he will be able to opt in, and then he will get an opportunity to share it with his friends. So it really turns out to a very cool viral sharing. When one person brings 3, then 3 brings 9 more, etc. Of course, it not necessarily may work in that way, but even if you have, even if you set inside of the settings, I'm gonna click edit, and inside of the settings, even if you click like unlock after 1, so what it will mean that one person will need to bring in 1 more to unlock the gift. So I hope that you will see the power in this, because you can have so much, to give away as a gift. It's not necessarily need to be, a PDF like we have in this, in this kind of scenario where we have that report. Okay, so it's not necessarily need to be a report. You can actually have, basically the creativity is your limit, because you can say, share this campaign, share the previous article that you came from, and you can get like a physical product. Like this, for example, you can have share with 10 more. So just calculate what 10 quality leads is for you. So for example, if you are now buying leads for 40 cents per click, okay, so that is, you're paying $4, let's say, for 10 quality leads. Now what you can do, you can say, bring in 10 more people, and I will send you a free let's say, I don't know, iPod Shuffle. You can buy it from, Alibaba.com, those Chinese, iPod Shuffles, for $1 to $2 that are selling. Okay, so this is a really cool gift, and just, take a look what happened. You've spent, $2 on that iPod Shuffle. You can do it, another, $1 on shipping or whatever, because it's, it doesn't weigh too much. And then you can have, a cheaper lead generation. You can say, bring in 20 people, and I'll send you that iPod. Not iPod, but, that copy of the iPod, okay? And then, you're just sending physical products to people. They will love you, and you will be building a list, very, very quickly, and for very cheap. Now, you not necessarily need to send, like, physical stuff. What you can do, you can, just tell them that they're going to get a coupon code, because this, this the download the report button, you can change the text, and what you can do, you can actually, tell them, for example, you can just send them to any page. You can just specify any URL. I'm going to show you how to do that. So, okay, so the give download here, you can just specify any URL. So you can tell them that, if they will share your campaign, the previous article, you're going to get them an access to, for example, your membership site. Okay, so your membership site for, let's say, lose weight or whatever that is. So you're going to be getting free leads all day long, and they're going to get an access to the membership site. It can be a coupon code for your physical product. It can be a coupon code for your digital product. It can be a link to the webinar registration page. So this is a cool way how we've got a lot of registrations, for a webinar, because what we did with, we called it a special workshop, and we said in order to participate in workshop, you need to bring in 2 more guys. So when that happened, it just exploded, because everybody was just, bringing in 2 more, and then 2 more, and then 2 more, because, they saw the value inside of the webinar. We said that, regular like entrance fee is $197, but, you can get it for free if you'll bring in 2 more friends, and they will be able to do the same thing. So, and everybody just kept bringing 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, and, our registration rate just exploded. So that's, like I've said, it's basically the creativity is your limit. So it's not necessarily just a report. It's not necessarily just, a simple PDF, but you can go for physical products. This is, really clever and easy, lead generation. So, just imagine you're browsing this top 50 detox water recipes, and then the pop-up, slides in saying, do you love running? So maybe you need to enhance the running with some cool music. Let us give you like a free, MP3 player. And you're gonna click the button, learn more. And when you land on the next page, in this thank you page, there's a video saying, hey, thanks for showing the interest in what we have. So we want to give you this free MP3 player. All you have to do is just show the previous article, the top 50 detox water recipes, for 10 of your friends. And if they will be interested, they'll land on this page. We're going to give you, a download link for, not a download link, but an access link for where you can get, just type in your shipping address and you'll get that MP3 player. Okay. So this is what it is. That's how the social funnels work. In a nutshell, you can turn any web page into your landing page, and then you just get a lot of free traffic, from people sharing it. So it's not like there are similar plugins out there. What they do, they allow you to have like, content jacking, where you just have any content and then you slide in your pop-up and that's it. Because that's not cool, because you always need to have a constant, consistent stream of traffic flowing. If you will stop, getting traffic, then, nobody will see your page. Now with this, with the social funnels campaigns, it's not the case, because you just create a campaign once, you share it once, and then it really takes off without you doing any of the work. Trust me when I say this is really sweet, easy, and fun list building. Now I want to go over the settings real quick, so you get an idea how it looks like from the inside. As you can see, we have a very clean and simple interface. So I'm gonna go to the general settings. You just type in the name of the campaign, slug of the campaign. So this is for the URL. You can integrate Aweber, GetResponse, or other autoresponder. So we just type in Aweber list name. You can specify whether you want to use the name field or not, and you can use Facebook retargeting. This is also really, really sweet, because when you get a lot of, even though that the people not opt into your list, what you do, you collect a retargeting list of those guys who are interested in a particular niche or topic. So this alone can build you viral lists, Facebook retargeting, and then you can use it for very, very cheap Facebook ads, just to get where you just set like a CPM, and you just market to those guys, where you pay for 1,000 impressions, because when the list is small, 1,000 impressions will really do a lot of impact for these people. Okay, and it's gonna do a lot of impact for your business. So let's go to the next page. I'm gonna click next step, layout settings. So here you specify the source URL, the one that you wanna use, to use as your lead capture page, the one that you want to iframe, and then you have 4 different pop-up styles. So you can just select one of these pop-up styles, and it will basically turn your campaign will look this way. So basically we have 4 of them. You can just see how they look like here. Are you making these diet mistakes? This is just a preview. Then you can specify the delay, whether it's closable or not. The step 1 headline, sub-headline, yes button, no button, whether you want to include the it's free disclaimer, and the step 2 settings. Basically, like I've said, we're using 2-step opt-in on each one of these pages, because when you just intrude the page with the pop-up and it's it has got an opt-in form right away, then we saw that the conversion rate really suffers. Now when you have a 2-step opt-in, that's when that's when we skyrocketed our conversion rates. So let's go to the step 3, content settings, and it says the headline, free report for having 6-pack abs. So this is the headline, here in this page. Like I've said, you can change all the text, all the images in this page. We made it super, super simple. So you can enable the video, like I've said, just like this. You just pop in, and then you can have like an image or a video at the top of the page. Then you can have sub-headline, button text. Like I've said, it says download the report, but you can have something else. And you can use the support email if you want. We have it at the bottom. It says need help, support@socialfunnels.com. And then we have, the last step, GIF settings. You just specify the GIF download URL, so you can upload the file, or you can, like I've said, just send them somewhere to, to an external page. You specify after how many you want to unlock, the page title for the thank you page, and then you can have the features. These are the features where it says how to exercise efficiently, and the guy is running here and some text. So this is, the feature, and you can add the features and you can align them to the left, to the right. Very, very simple. It takes only a few minutes to launch a social funnels campaign. Now, one more feature that I want to show you, a very cool one. So for example, here I'm browsing top 50 detox waters, and it's like, let's say I'm just browsing the internet, right? So let's say 13 cheap, easy, delicious, and healthy lunch ideas for work. Okay, so that really falls into the category what we've previously done, the six-pack abs, right? So these guys who are interested in six-pack abs, probably they're interested in 13 cheap, easy, and delicious, healthy lunch ideas for the work. Okay, and vice versa. So what we want to do, we can just go into the social funnels, and we go into just, main dashboard, and there's this feature called bookmarklet. So if I go to the bookmarklet, I just grab the bookmarklet and drag it into my favorites bar. I already have it here, so I'm just gonna delete it. So this is the bookmarklet. So what I do, I'm here, 13 cheap, easy, delicious, and healthy lunch ideas for work. I click it, boom, and it asks me whether I want to create a new campaign or create a lookalike campaign. This is how you build the campaigns on the fly. It's like really, really fast. So I'm gonna create a lookalike campaign, a new name. So let's say healthy cooking ideas. Okay, healthy cooking ideas. This is my campaign name, and then I need to select which one of these campaigns I'm going to use like as a lookalike. So this is going to be very fast. I'm gonna select six-pack campaign. I'm gonna click create, and what it did, it copied the entire campaign. All the settings that we just went through, it changed the source URL. So this is how you can create campaigns very quickly, very easily. Like multiple campaigns for the same, niche that you are working in. Okay, so content settings, GIF settings, everything is the same like the previous one. Just we did it very quickly with one click of the mouse. Okay, so this is how you do the, the bookmarklet feature. How you can use it, and of course we can have, we have all the statistics here. So this is, a demo account for the JV, video. So we don't have an exciting numbers to show here. So we're just running it on another installation. But what you can do, you can export, import these campaigns. So for example, you created some campaigns for your clients. You can export them. You can import them on another installation where Social Funnels is running. So this is what it is. It's a fun, quick, viral list builder that works very well. And if you have any questions, just let us know. I tried to make this demo, as quick as possible, by covering pretty much everything, just to give you a nutshell overview of what it is. And if you think if something's not, really clear for you, so just let us know. Also, if you want to get a, review access to test it out for yourself, again, just give us a message. And I'm sure that we'll be able to, come up with something. Okay, so thanks for watching. Amka signing out.